John Kelly at Casa Blanca Farmstead in Stanford, Western Cape. One of Geoff's designs is we installed water harvesting swales and soaks on a fairly flat site. After the first rains, we could see water pooling and moving in ways we had not expected. How do you recommend students use on-site observation after installation to spot where small adjustments are needed to improve water flow and overall functions? Well, I think I've been doing that even today. After 26 years on this site, I'm still making adjustments around the place. So it starts just after you install the earthworks, but it doesn't really stop. You're always making little adjustments, and I think it always can be, because we can always see an evolving improvements, evolving diversity, evolving abundance, and that's what makes it all so interesting. So yes, you have to explain that you allow your system to demonstrate its evolutions, and you're always making really interesting adjustments, and thank goodness we are. If it was all done and dusted and you just sit there and watch it, it'd be pretty boring, right? But it's not. It's incredibly interesting.